Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I have an unboxing here for you today. I took it out of the box, but I haven't opened anything yet. This is the Club EP, or Club Echo Park. This is their big kit that they do bi-monthly. So they have a card maker's kit, and I will link below to the video I did on that kit, and this is their big kit with the 12 by 12 sheets included. So this is advertising the new Card Makers Club and some collections they have out right now. And bounce back bonus. Get an additional 10% off your next order. That's cool. And then they always have an inspiration sheet, and I really love the colors already without even opening up the box. I did not get the last two, purchase the last two kits of these big kits because it was very winter and Christmas, and I am overstocked with that. So let's open this up. Now you're going to catch a little bit of a glare because I didn't open any of this packaging ahead of time. So here is the 6x6 collection, and they are going to be 12 double-sided sheets, and they repeat, so there's 2 of each. So let me just flip through. Oh, I love this green. It's so pretty. I don't know if it's showing up as pretty on camera. Seed packets. There's like a peachy pink, and some tags, which I always love tags. This collection is called, it's a Cartabella. It's called Flower Garden. Since it's Cartabella, bumblebees, we should have textured 12 by 12 paper. The 6x6 will not be. I love the little garden hats. And I love when they include the solids because you know they're going to coordinate. Butterflies, pink check, black and white stripe. Oh, rain boots, cute. So you know that these solids are going to coordinate if you want to do some layering. I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to do some, and there we go, starting over. I'm going to do some cards, and I also am going to, this time, actually put together a mini album with this. I think with Mother's Day coming up, this will be a really cute collection for a mini album. So I'm going to show you what's in it, and then I'll come back with the things I created. Really pretty puffy stickers. Beautiful day. Gather the ones you love. This says, it's very small, it says lovely. Fresh pick flowers. Oh, look at that telephone booth in a baby pink. That's so cute. Okay, here are some chipboard pieces, just the one side. Really cute. And this comes in handy more in mini albums, not so much in card making, I found. Oh, this is pretty. If I could find the end of it, I'd unroll some of it for you, but it's really pretty. Let's take a look at this. I love that. Maybe on my hand it would show up better. I love that. The colors are pretty, just light, springy colors. And then we've got these tags and things, which I always love. The tags and frames, they call them. They always do such a good job. And if you want to do a card one and done, just put a tag on it and some colored paper, some printed paper, and it's pretty. Spring flowers, friends. Some little tags that are lovely. Hold it up here so you get a better view of them. I love all this greenery. This says choose happy. Spring showers bring May flowers. Hello there. These are so cute. Today is beautiful. Beautiful day. Gather the ones you love. Lovely. Little window. Home is where the flowers grow. Nothing in nature blooms all year. Be patient with yourself. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, home is where the flowers grow unless you live at my house because I have a black thumb. But I love all the paper with all the flowers. I'm just not very good at gardening. Beautiful day. There's a little circle that says gather. Enjoy the little things. Oh, look at this little kind of station wagon car with some flowers on it. So cute. This one's very small, but it says to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. And the inside pops out. That's how they usually are on these little frames. You can pop out different pieces to use. Plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. Bloom your own way. And this one says planting a garden. Oh, that's the same saying, is to believe in the future. Life is better in the garden. Really cute. Okay, so let's get to the 12 by 12 paper, and I will take it out of here. And there's a sticker sheet. Like I said, since it's Cartabella paper, it should be the textured, really thick paper, which I like sometimes. I don't like it for every project, but here's the sticker sheet, really cute. I love when they have the strips on the bottom of the sticker sheets to be used. So really pretty. Okay, so these are basically going to be the same prints, and they are textured, but in a bigger size. So we had the seed paper with the check on the back, but smaller in the 6x6. I also love that there's a nice strip here you can use too. And these are beautiful these are even beautiful if you wanted to put some pictures in here and frame it in one of those 12x12 frames. And the bigger tags on the back. So cute. Yeah, so like I said, these are all the same papers, but just in a bigger print, bigger version of them. Pretty butterflies too. This green, I know you're not getting a good view, but this green in the background is a really pretty kind of minty green. It's just gorgeous. And if you've ever gotten any of their spring floral collections, some of these prints are going to look very familiar. Just be a little bit different than what they have in other collections. But since I love all the spring and the flowers, I don't mind that at all. Because this, I feel, very much looks like another collection I have. Cute. Oh, and I love this. That's that same minty green with some white dots all over. And oh, that print's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to get to making a few things and I'll come back. I'll probably put together the card kits and we'll make the card together. And I'll come back and show you what I did. Okay, I've made a lot of stuff with this kit. So let me show you what I have left first of all. I have a few of tags, actually quite a few tags. I mean, I could do a lot more with this. I have 7 sheets of the 6x6 pad full sheets left. I have all of these stickers from the sticker pack left. I have all of these scraps and 1 full sheet that I didn't even get around to cutting apart of the 12x12. Really pretty. I have all of these. Let me move these out of the way so I could show you. All of these chipboard pieces. A lot. I didn't use very many of those. I didn't use any of the washi tape yet, so maybe that will go with my planner stash. I don't know. And let me show you what all I've made. I've made a lot of things. Sorry, I have that clear over there. I don't know why. Try to do this without creating too much of a glare because these are in those plastic sleeves. But this I envisioned being maybe a Mother's Day photo album. Because I've got a lot of plant smiles, grow laughter, and then gather the ones you love. And then these sheets right here, 4x6 photos slip into. So I left them blank. If I end up putting this one on my Etsy shop, I will add some ribbon around it, and then I'll put sheets in here that say 4x6 photos or add 4x6 photos so people get the idea. And then I just decorated these sheets. I added maybe that little sticker there, but otherwise these are just cut aparts of the sheets. I mean, there was so much in this pack that it was hard not, you couldn't go wrong, right? So this I cut out and this I put there. These sheets are 4x6 exactly, and then the cover is like 4.5 by 6 1/8 or something. So real easy to put together. The only thing you need to remember is, as I say, something I saw how easy it is to put together. It is a little time consuming. The only thing you need to remember is when you're going to flip these covers, you need to make sure what's on the inside looks right when you flip it up like this. You know, that's the thing that you can forget easily and then end up putting in wrong. This I think is more like a wedding or a shower or something. So, oh, happy day, and then it says love grows here. I just made a little tag out of some of the paper and then put a sticker there. Enjoy the little things. And this I left these blank, and then I made some little photo spots throughout too, and used some stickers from the set. So I just took kind of standard size 3x3s, that kind of thing that I knew photos could be printed in. I have one of those little printers so I can kind of collage and do any size, but I know it can be difficult for people to do that. And then that one, and then the back looks like that. So just, these are really fun to do, and I love making them for different occasions. All right, there is a lady on YouTube, and her name is Alicia, and her channel is Call Me Crafty Al, and I'm going to link to her below, because every month she does what she calls the sheet load of cards, to where she shows you how to cut out, and she gives you the template for it, to get so many cards out of sheets of 12x12 and then 8.5 by 11 solids. This month I had to do them. I don't do them every month, but there were these precious little mini slimline cards. So they're like a 6x3 card is what it ends up being. But I'm not going to give you all these dimensions because you need to go to her channel to get all the info and hopefully subscribe. So these are pretty much exactly how her designs are. And then I changed them up a little bit so that I could use a lot of the tags and pieces. I love these little that came with the set. And I've decorated, I don't think I showed you, but I decorated most of the insides of these. This one I have a little "Today is Beautiful" tag. Let's see what I have in this one. Just a little spring flowers tag. There was so much with this kit that, you know, I find myself trying to over decorate things. And then this, I've got that little wagon, that little cart. And those little puffy stickers are so cute. But I love when you have paper packs like this because you cannot go wrong. I mean, they're double-sided. Everything coordinates together. I love this little window too. And this is a puffy sticker again. So, so cute. All of these things. And these are a great size because you can use them with, I had the envelopes in my stash already that go with these. I didn't have to make any special envelopes because I think these are called number 8s. And I've had them, like I said, for a very long time because there's one bill I have to sort of drop in a slot here in town. I live in a little bitty town. And so, oh, I didn't do that one. So the water bill has to be taken and dropped in the slot or handed in person. So I have these little, I think, like I said, they're number 8s is what they're called. But here is here are some full-size cards. And I don't know if I decorated inside all of these. I might not have gotten around to it. No, but I certainly can go back. This, I used 2 different punches. I used a circle punch and a scallop punch, and then that was a sticker and that Hello Sunshine. And then I ended up, you know, as you're making these cards, you end up with these strips of odd sizes. And so I just sort of put them together to make this card, which I think turned out really cute. And this was a tag kind of piece that I cut out. And I love, enjoy this beautiful life together. This would be a great wedding card. Okay, and I made a few slimline, long slimline cards because I think I mentioned in a previous video, I found these at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 for 25, but they were half off. So $2.50 for 29 envelopes. So then I just cut these. Let's see, they are 3.5. So 7 by 8.5. So I cut the piece 7 by 8.5 and scored it at 3.5. So you get 3.5 by 8.5 is the size that fits into this envelope. And I just went by the envelope when I was deciding how big to make them. I loved this little chipboard piece and I really wanted to use it. I don't know if I was terribly successful with my slimline cards. I'm still getting the hang of the dimensions of it. I love that Hello Sunshine. Because it's just such a new size for me. I'm so used to 4.25 by 5.5 standard. But they had these big tags, so I decided to use them. Okay, on here I've got some Nouveau drops. So I used this pink, what's it called? Carnation Pink. I used this stamp set that is a Crafter's Companion, and it is called Classic Rose. I think I found it at Tuesday Morning. So any of these things, if they're still available, I will link to them. I don't know if they are, I'm going to be honest. I used some Distress Oxide in Worn Lipstick, Vintage Photo, and Sponge Sugar to kind of ink around a few things. And then I used squid ink for inking the sentiments in the black ink. These are the punches I used, 2.5-inch scallop and a 2-inch circle. And then I used my Crocodile corner rounder on a few things. And I used my Barely Art glitter glue and my Misty to stamp. So those are all the things I used to make all of these items. And I will link to everything below. But I really enjoyed working with this kit. Like I said, I've got so much left over that I could still use. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will check out Alicia's channel, and I hope you'll check out some of the Echo Park stuff. It's really a lot of fun to use. Happy crafting, everybody.